that. He is manhandling that vehicle. He's manhandling that bike all by himself. He's going to really want me to work on it now.
Oh, man.
Look at that.
Look what you got yourself into.
We don't hear no crashing yet, so that's a good sign.
Want to hear it start?
Where's that smoke at? Making smoky noises? No, I don't want to hear this thing run.
Look, I brought my own towel.
See? Looks like my towel.
The gasket doesn't work, or it's the wrong one.
We missed the wrong one. You ain't the wrong gasket.
So here's my tension. It's pretty good. New pieces, everything that you gave me yesterday is on.
I don't want to hear it yet. I'm busy. Where's your free play at? I don't see any free play.
Well, you said genuine racers don't even have any free play.
Yeah, well, right now there's no free play at all on this bike.
Well, I can listen it up a little bit.
So why's that cable way the hell over there?
I don't know. I just been in a rush trying to figure out if this shit's possible or not, and it's just not.
Okay, there's some free play there. How much did you move it?
Oh, about 4 turns.
4 turns.
3.5.
I think you had no clearance on it. See how that moves back and forth a lot, the cable?
Oh, yeah.
You're losing a lot of travel.
And rain. Rain and people are still trying to get it.
See, your cable's too long. You should run this thing all the way around over here and circle around so you don't have this 90-degree bend right here.
You know, the top.
And you want to circle around, you want to make it long, even. Your cable's too long for this application.
I think that's fucking rough.
Well, you're losing a lot of travel, but that's load on the clutch, which burns up your clutch, which you did last time. See how it moves like this? That's wasted travel as I work the clutch. So.
No, it sure does.
So what do you got to do to run it around the headlight, this other one, around this side, and circle around? You got time to do that right now and make it work?
Yeah,
So go ahead and play with that a little bit. What? Correct gasket, what's the problem?
I don't have that hole like you said.
I don't care about that hole. It fits the bike.
You said if it doesn't have that hole, don't use it because it's going to leak.
As long as this hole doesn't overlap on the case, you're fine.
Oh.
You don't listen. They all have the hole in there. That's how they're made.
Well, I put the old one back in it. I'll keep it there.
It hasn't leaked yet. That's a good sign.
No, it's good.
But yeah, play with that a little bit, and then you got to take up some of that slack.
Okay. In it again.
What are we doing over here?
How'd that happen?
You moved it.
Yeah, I moved it and it changed.
Yes, because it's got a bunch of free play and everything. That's how these cables do it.
There's no free play in it now.
So what do you got tied in over here? See, this is supposed to come out through here, through this side, and then work its way around.
I could do that. You want me to do that too?
Where'd you put the thing at? Why are you going around behind it? You should have went around the front of it. Yeah, but you can't do that unless you take the actual cable off.
Well, if we do take the cable off, or that primary side tonight, then I'll just do it real quick.
Well, just pull off right here. At least take all the slack out of it right here. You got a lot of it in there. You got plenty of room. Just unslack it. Pull a cable off up in that. You can move it around to where it needs to be.
Oh yeah.
Got enough?
Nope. It's tied on there.
The puller's on the pegboard in there, that red one. The bridge looking one up on the top of the wall. Grab that one. All right, pull out. We'll get a puller for him. Nut came off, didn't it? Yeah, just need a puller. No biggie. Find it? Where's he at? Look out, Scooby. Nope, it's missing. He's got it. Yep, that's the one.
Oh, I'm sure so many people are gonna hate on me for that.
We've all done shit like that. Big deal. Don't worry about it. Give a fuck what other people think. No, that's true. A little experience in the bike. We're gonna hurt it any.
No.
the rod at? Get that out of your way a little bit.
Bad mistakes make for good stories.
Yeah, well, as long as you learn from them.
Oh, I'm gonna have to ride like an old fart on my way home.
I seen that on somebody's T-shirt today.
It doesn't take long. It doesn't take long to break that tire in. There you go. See how nice that tool works? Is that
Where's the other part of it?
right there? Take it back and weld it. Okay, what do you got on this one?
Trying to get it out, but I can't see.
Well, how'd you put it together?
Pops out of there.
Where's the darn pieces that are supposed to be in here? Well, how'd they come out?
I just took them off.
Yeah, you see how they come on the outside? That
So
means
they're upside down.
that means they're going to fall out when you're riding,
Okay,
too.
I didn't know that. I mean, I knew that.
Okay.
Pops out, right?
Is all the free play out now? Is all the free play out?
Yes. It's all out.
Okay, here, hold this. Yeah, just don't screw it all up. So you're pulling that. You put the damn thing on the backside? You dumbass. What do you do that for?
Well, it keeps it in there real good.
It's not going to come out if you do it correctly. Jeez. Make it so hard to work. See, you're supposed to just push it in, pull it, and jams in. It ain't going to come out as long as the cable's in there. How's it going to fall out?
All right.
And the other pieces go up in here,
Right.
and that's what makes it the bushing. If you just stick them from top and bottom, they just fall out when you're using it. So you got to slip them in the correct direction, like that.
That's pretty.
The other thing is you got to cover where the split is and make sure the split is not on the side where the pressure is. Make sure the split's on the back side over here. Oh, I can't see with the camera that direction. You want the split to be over here because all the pressure's on the front side. There you go. So where's the split on that one? Okay, there's a split right there. So put it over on the back side where there's no pressure. You're good. Now that's going to keep falling out until we put the cable back in it. So let's go work on the cable now. So this cable's way on the long side. Okay, you got to take off this piece of baling wire down here. Let's see, maybe we'll work without it. Here, try this up through here. Slow down, don't yank too hard. Okay, what's that doing for us?
And then go around?
I'm just trying to soak up a bunch of length here. Okay, come through here on the bottom. There we go. Okay, there's our length. The adjuster's right where we don't want it.
I'm gonna put the bucket here in case you'll need it.
Okay.
I'm gonna set my tools up to the side.
Okay, we're about 6 inches too short for that. We come through here. And get to there.
Pretty much. That's super fucking tight. Okay, got it. Well.
Okay, we need to come through here to get some more length.
Okay.
So
That is.
come up through right between on the other side of the frame. That'll give us the extra 2 inches we need on the other side. Yours the same way. Okay, I'm gonna wheel up this bracket. So here's your piece here. Don't lose it. And I'll be back. Very well. Oh, look at that custom foot peg installation there.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, this foot peg.
Oh, yeah. Well,
Secondary kicker.
here's the other one.
Looks like the same guy did both of them. Look at that. Yep, there it is. So that's supposed to make it hold up better.
I'm probably gonna get a new pedal. Fuck it. You know.
This is pretty loose on everything.
Yeah, that's.
I think you're missing a couple pieces of hardware. Alright, so we got the clutch cable now.
Like it.
Goes around.
It's nice and
Okay,
tight.
this is staying more straight now, which is
Yeah.
a lot better.
Totally.
And you got a nice curve through here,
Right.
so it's sucked up everything pretty nicely now. Okay, so how's it feel now? Did you
Feels
put the pins where they belong this time?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. They're on the correct side.
Who would have knit?
That's what I found the right.
No.
Okay, now you got some extra free play. Okay, what happens if you put the bike forward?
Nothing. It stays.
Actual riding condition. It gets tighter.
Oh, it does?
You feel the difference?
Fuck.
Move. Move. Let go. See the free play? and straighten it out.
You can barely tell.
How about this?
Tighten up.
How about this here?
Yeah.
That might be, maybe that's some of the sloppiness I felt.
There. Like that or like that?
I don't know, you're riding it. It's your bike.
This is my baby.
You gotta put it where you want it. Get that out of the way.
This is the problem child, sir.
Okay.
Tight as fuck.
There's very little free play in that for some reason. So you got double drag pipes. Great. Should be nice and quiet. Wonderful.
They're fucking louder than shit.
Extra tools over there.
Oh, by the way, this is that tail light, that brake switch that I was telling you about that doesn't
what?
Doesn't do anything.
Why didn't
It
you
did.
fix it? Why didn't you fix it? Seems like the brake light's on right now. Is that your brake light or your tail light on?
It's just not doing anything. I don't know. This is the tail light that has to be grounded to the fender for it to work.
Mm-hmm.
It's not grounded, it doesn't come on at all.
It's pretty bright right now.
The wires are in there.
If you can call that wired. Any power to it?
Yeah.
Sure.
Last time I checked, they light up.
You're in charge now.
Oh yeah.
You need some training on how to use that camera, sir?
How do you zoom again? Is it these buttons up here?
You just don't do anything, just point and shoot and quit screwing with it.
Okay.
Otherwise there will be some vicious comments about your quality.
But I mean, you're working with such small parts. Don't you want me to zoom in so you can see what the hell
I'm
you're
looking for
doing?
a ground right now.
Okay, got a ground. Oh, no, no ground.
It's not a very good ground though. I'm
It's
gonna,
right on the spring.
I'm gonna come off the kicker spring. Okay, where's your light switch source?
See? Nothing.
What about the other one?
Whoa.
Okay, so we have nothing there, we have something here, see?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that means when you pull it on, it works, see?
Right. It works there, but nothing's happening here.
Yeah, but I got power here.
That's what I was saying.
It doesn't work very well. You gotta really pull hard. Spring's not working. Yeah, this thing is not working really. I gotta really pull on that hard. It's like 20 pounds of pressure to make it do anything. So this switch is no good anyway. But we are putting power to that light. I think you're on the tail light is not wired. You have the brake light wired right now. I think you get the wires reversed up in here. I think that's the brake
That
light.
could be a possibility.
And so
It was working at one point.
so when you hit the brake light here, it turns on the tail light, which doesn't do a damn thing. It's already bright. So that'd be my guess.
Alright, I can work on that later.
Well, you have to see which bulb you're on that one.
Yeah.
But you need a new switch down there that works better than that one.
Do you have any of those?
That style there? I don't know, maybe.
Or anything that would work?
I got real stuff, but it's just a sportster, so it's different. These are real parts for this bike, so we don't have necessarily everything we need. I'll have to see if I got something crappy like that laying around.
Hey, this is a real stock brake line.
Yeah, well,
It's just upside down.
the problem is it's supposed to go on the other side. I've broken brakes back in place by having stuff like this on the bike upside down.
It's supposed to be up top.
Yeah, the cam doesn't work both ways. It works one way. It's rounded one way, square the other way, and the square doesn't work very well. Chain looks very tight. It's tight. It's not guitar string, but it's tight. Okay, so what's the problem with the bike?
Problem is that it idles fine, it revs high, but when I get it on the street,
And the clutch.
it bogs down when I try to give it any throttle. It just bogs and it doesn't. It either chokes out of gas or it just doesn't have any power. I can't get it to go over like 40 max, 40, 50 miles per hour max. Not about 40, 30, 40.
So what jets are in it?
What jets?
Yeah.
This is a brand new Mikuni. I bought it at Tatro Machines.
So you haven't done anything to it?
Yeah, I've completely fucking screwed with it backwards, forwards, and sideways, and I still can't tell what I'm doing.
Is there any jets in it? There appears to be some oil in there somewhere.
I wouldn't know if there's any jets in it.
It looks like it's kind of clean.
I,
You don't know if there's jets inside the carburetor that you had apart in Dickenwood. Did you change anything on the inside when you had it apart? Is it still all stock?
no, I just bought it over the counter at Tatro machines with warranty, and I hope
Warranty,
that it
too.
fucking works.
Did he price match?
I think I got a discount.
I think you got a discount. Okay, that's good. Scooby got a discount too. Look out, Scooby. Come on, Scooby, look out.